green salad up, a green salad down. Last on.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this video. Today, short video. It will take 10 minutes of your time. But as you can see here, I just made a chatbot for my website, and I'm gonna provide a video on my website where you can follow the steps how you can do it on your website. And as you can see, I'm inside the website, and it's also good for, as you can see here, leads. And let me go here to show you a little bit how it works. Let's go to playground. It looks like that. Hello, how can I help you? Here you have some test questions, but let me see, what is Daisy AI? Let's click on it, and here you're gonna see it. What is Daisy AI? And here you have it. Blah 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 blah. Let's type in something else. How can I join blockchain sports? Let's see what the bot will answer. We wait a little bit, and here you have it. The steps. Let me click on this one, and boom. Here we have the information on blockchain sports. So as you can see, it works. Let me click on this one. It's the same. Let me also ask about Bitcoin. Can I have info about Bitcoin? Let me click enter. And here you have it. Sure, I can provide you with some information about Bitcoin from the available resources. The website has details on Bitcoin wallets and so on and so on. So yeah, if I click here, we're gonna end up on my WordPress website. And here you have the information about Bitcoin. Here you have the masterclass. As you can see, it works. And here you have the video. We're gonna click on it to show you. And here you have the video. Anyway, this video takes how long? 11 minutes.
That knows everything about your business. What if it could?
So I hope this video is helpful. Give it thumbs up if you like the video, and leave a comment in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in one of my next videos. Bye. Robert, Belgium. And here you have the chatbots. Bye. Take care. God bless you all.